Yes, you can actually record your screen with your phone. That means you can do a screen recorder tutorial on your phone. If you are the type that is into video production, you do YouTube videos or video calls, you can actually do your tutorial recording your screen on your phone. I get a lot of questions asking me how I do my videos. I have so many videos I've done just simply recording my screen using my phone. And if it's something you are interested in, then this tutorial is definitely for you. Okay, welcome back. In this video, I want to quickly show you how you can do video tutorials or record your screen using your phone. But to begin, you have to go to Google Play Store or App Store, as the case may be. You are using Android, you are going to go to your Google Play Store. Then if you are using iOS, you go to App Store. Once you get to your Play Store, all you need to do is just type screen recorder or uh or screen recording app, and it will give you so many or just type screen capture. It will give you so many apps that you can download from. So let me go to the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. And by the way, to go to the Google Play Store, you must have you must have an internet data on your phone. So just type, let us search for screen recorder. So let us search just screen recorder. That is it there. Screen recorder. You have so many of them. You have so many of them. You have so many of them. Or you can type any one that you have in my like. Presently, I use S recorder. If you type S recorder, it will bring exact S recorder for you. But I just type screen recorder, and this is the one I'm using. This particular one is the one I'm using. Is this S recorder. So just click on it. Once you click on it, then you can see you are confronted with this. My own is saying update because I have it already. In your own case, all you see here is install. So all you just need to do is install it. Once you install it, so the next thing for you is to go to where you have it installed on your phone. So in my own case, this is where I have it installed. This is it here. Or let me just change this to blue so that you can see very well. Just like this is it. Just that is it, S recorder. So I will open it. Once you open it, you have all these ads because it's a free something. Just close this. Just close it. So you continue to, this is where you'll be confronted with, but that is not what you want to do. The first thing is to do your setting. In fact, I am using the S recorder to record this particular tutorial now. I'm using it to record what I'm saying now. So you have the setting. You are confronted with the setting. This is the setting. So you start from the beginning. The resolution is 720p. You can choose anyone. This is the highest, but I try to use 720p because of the size. Then also quality, 16 mbp is the highest quality, but I try to leave it at auto so that it will just choose for itself. Then quality, I've already talked about quality. Then fps, this is the frame per seconds, that is the frame size. This is the highest, 60 fps, so you can leave it at 60 fps. Then orientation, I'm using currently portrait. This is portrait. If you want landscape, you can just change it to landscape and immediately it will record. And this is landscape is horizontal, so the portrait is vertical. So just I leave it at portrait because I'm used to recording on portrait. So record audio. This is very important. In fact, you can miss this several times, because if you don't switch, if you don't click this on, if you don't put it on, if you don't switch it on, most of the things you'll be saying will not be recorded, because you can read what they wrote there. Recording internal audio is not allowed by Android. Use microphone to record, so you have to use your mic. So I already have my mic. You can use your earpiece to do your mic, but I'm using a lapel currently. You can use your earpiece, and that is very okay. So recording mode, there are two modes there, normal and performance mode. You can pick anyone, it does not matter, anyone is okay. Then pop-up window after taking screenshot, since you can switch it on. Since I'm not interested in using any screenshot, I'm not using it. So hide recording window during recording. I don't need to hide it. Let me leave it so that I can always see it. This is the recording window. This is it. This is the recording window. This is the recording window. So you can see it there. So keep recording when screen is off. This one is also very good. Then screenshot. I'm not screenshotting anything, so I don't need to switch it off. Switch it on. Camera. If you can do the camera, you can do on, you can do off. It depends on what you want. Let me just switch it on so that you see what will happen. See what will happen. It will start showing me. You can see it starts showing me. At the same time, I will be showing and I will be talking. But since I'm not interested in showing my face, what is my face? After all, my face is not that palatable. I don't have a very good face. I don't know about you, but it doesn't matter. You can you can switch it on, you can switch it off. So presently, my videos, I don't normally, because the tutorials I do, they don't really need my face. What they need is what I'm teaching them, the educative content of what I'm teaching them. They are not concerned about my face. If my face is okay or not, they are not concerned. But you can actually see me. You can actually see me. This is me. You can see my shirt. I'm using Smart Idea TV. I have a customized shirt for my channel. You can see me there. If you have not seen me before, this is me you are seeing. You can see me. So I can decide to take it off and I'll still be recording. You can see the recording is still going on. It doesn't cost anything. So this brush is very important. Just switch it on, because this is what you'll be using to write. This is my own. You can see here. You can see here. I want to write anything. I'll just, okay, I want to circle. Let me say I want to write. I want to write go. You can see this is go. I want to write come. This is come. I want to write S. I can write anything. I can mark it. I can style it. I can do so many things. I can change the color. So you can write in whatever form you can. You can write circle. You can do square. So you can do so many things with it actually. So if I want to go away from it, I'll just click the S button and it is gone. But just switch it on so that if you want to write, because it's going to be tutorial, you want to be using it for tutorial, it's better you have it on. So once you have everything on, then there's one other thing I want to show you. I think is, yes, count down before start. I have my own at 5 seconds. Let me click and see so that you can see. You can put it off. You can put it at 3 seconds. 3 seconds means it will start counting from 3, 2, 1. But this, my own case, it will start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I'll start talking. It's just to get me ready. If you want, you can put it at 10, but I leave my own at 5 so that whenever I'm recording, so I'm just, these are just the brave thing. And once you have it, then your video is ready to be, you can start using. Once you have all the settings, then all you need to, I'm already recording. I will have just shown you how to record direct. So this is it. If I want to stop my recording, I'll just click on that. Let me just show you the place. I'll just click on this place. If I want to stop recording, I'll just click on that place. Let me change the color so that you can, maybe you see it very well. I'm using blue now. So I'll just say that is where you want to click. Once you just click this place is what you want to click. That is the place you want to click. Once you click it, then you stop recording. So that's all about the setting. Once you are done with the setting, anytime you want to record, there you see, this is the recording window. This is where you are having, when you are having square here is what you can have start, just start the button, or you can just start to the app, start the app, and you see where you can start recording. It's not that difficult. You can do it, but you need to practice with it. And before you start using it per se, just use it for some minutes or some seconds, and listen to what you've done, so that you can listen whether it's working fine or not before you start wasting your time. I'm telling you, I want to cut the learning curve for you. That is why I'm doing this tutorial. Hope you've got value. I will also show you samples I have done. One sample I have just done on how to record, and you can check my channel if you have not done so. You see so many screen capture that I have screen caption tutorial that I have done. Most of my tutorials are done with my phone. I have a system, but I don't normally use the system. The phone is handy. I have screen capture on my system, I have on my phone. So I try to use the phone, because a lot of people, I know so many people are using the phone. So I know you have got value from this. Please consider subscribing. Just subscribe. Your subscription will help this channel a lot. It will help the channel to grow, because already we are closing towards the 1,000 subscriber thing, so that you can just help us to get there. And if you have subscribed before, just hit the like button and share this. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.